Welcome back to the Crypto Arc. This is Jay. I'm here to give you some updates on a cryptocurrency that I have not spoken about in basically at all. Um, nothing I say in this video is financial advice, so please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, all right? But I'm telling you right now, this crypto pick that I'm going to talk about is very undervalued and will have a lot of impact in the new economy as well as it's going to Coinbase. Okay, I'm just letting you know. All right, let's show you guys. Oh, wait. Motivational quote time. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Yes, guys, you gotta be tougher on this time because yeah, we're currently getting fucked right now by our government, and that's that. All right, so this is from XRP Crypto Wolf. So right now the market is we're taking a bit of a hit right now. So according to this, we are on the extreme fear side. So basically, when there's soy all over the markets right now, and you know what they say: when there's soy in the streets, you drink beer. I'm just joking. But anyways, yeah. I think there's an article that talks about this too. Let me see here. Okay. How to stay sane during a crypto crash. You see a picture of this guy. He looks so sad along with his white girl. Look at them. Both are a perfect pair. But anyways, just hang on there, guys. Don't be a little soy boy, because we're gonna go up. The way the Fed is like the number one manipulator in this space right now, and just based on the amount of money they've been borrowing, and also just based on the debt-based system, they're going to need more debt in order to sustain whatever they had. But remember, that is not financial advice, guys. But yeah, we are not done this bull run yet or at all. As long as strong channels or strong advisors like Gregor Manarino are saying, you know, be in the market, I'm gonna be in the market, man. Because I don't believe we are done just yet. If anything, we're still getting started, man. We're still moving some things in the background. You know, the infrastructure is still being built, and the narratives have to be pushed still, because they can't just like make everything go live just out of nowhere without it making sense. Because otherwise, the people will just they will wake up. They will see the manipulation involved, and right now it's not so obvious to them because they're very distracted with the pandemic. But overall, guys, I know the market is very very tough right now. It's kind of sad for me too, man, because yo, fuck, I lost over like 10 grand or 20 grand, somewhere around there, just on this pullback, but I didn't sell much. I did have to pay some bills. You know, that's expected. Everyone has to pay bills. I just wished it would have been done during when it was high. But oh well. All right, let's get to actual news. So here it is. PayPal is exploring creating its own stablecoin as crypto business grows. I'm going to show you guys. Let's see. When it comes to PayPal, you want to pay attention to Peter Thiel. Billionaire Bitcoin bull Peter Thiel and Coinbase are backing this little-known cryptocurrency. This was back in 2020, guys. Crypto investment heavyweights are backing Reserve, a stablecoin project designed to create a new universal store of value while generating potential profits for investors. Now let me show you guys. So yes, Peter Thiel along with Coinbase, they are backing this one crypto right here. Actually, this is a two crypto system. It's called Reserve Protocol. RSV is basically a stablecoin. Yeah, it's backed by 1/3 USDC, which is part of the ISO 222 ecosystem coins. Trust or TUSD and 1/3 PAX. I think PAX is like, some of them are backed by gold. You gotta do your own digging on that one because I read that like long time ago. But anyways, RSR or RSV is the stable coin, and RSR is their governance coin, the one that's volatile. As you can see, RSV is always around $1. The max supply of this one is only 28 mil. Now, this thing is not gonna go up in price. Okay, this is a stable coin, so don't go crazy. Its asset is this guy right here, RSR. I do have some of this, so I'm not gonna lie to you. Now, how much of it? Nah, I don't have a big bank of this, man. I would definitely put some money, more money into this if it had some like liquid money. But as of right now, all my positions are kind of low. I'm not pulling out. This, however, is a very good bottom in my honest opinion. Last time it reached as high was around 10 cents, which is last year. So we're due, man. This thing is gonna go up, and it does have big backings too. So definitely wanna pay attention to this. Now, when it comes to RSV, it is already being utilized in other countries. Let me show you. Preparing to offer RSV incentives in order to accelerate reserve app growth. So they're already playing with it in Venezuela and Argentina, and those two countries are just the starter ones. Once it's utilized in there and fully realized, other countries will start adopting. And for sure, with the Peter Thiel, PayPal, and Coinbase connections, it's definitely gonna grow, man. There's definitely gonna be more usage of this guy, RSR and RSV. And the fact that it's going to be in Coinbase or has connections to Coinbase, it was definitely going to add more liquidity to this. And also PayPal. PayPal has, I can't remember the number of users they have. I think it's way over 100 million. But anyways, when those guys start having access to a very cheap cryptocurrency, they're going to put their money in there, man. Like the ones that are available in PayPal right now, they're kind of like the oversaturated cryptos already, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. I don't think they've started accepting the smaller caps yet, but when they do, especially with RSR, trust me, this thing's gonna go up, and that's not financial advice. Let's see, what else can I show you about RSR reserve? So it is a 2-coin party system, you know. One is the stable coin, which you will use for when the market gets a little too volatile, and the RSR is the one where you make money. Now, I'm not saying you can't make money from RSV. For sure, they're gonna have their own like staking incentives, so that way you you reserve your value in the RSV and have use cases towards it. But that right there is just speculation. You know, I'm just saying that just based on the things that are available with other cryptocurrencies. See, well, what else can I say about RSR other than you getting it? Let's see what's happening in the market right now. So market's still stale. Flat, I mean, is not doing shit yet. However, we're gonna go up higher because that's just how the debt-based system works, man. And remember, guys, even though this graph is showing that we're in extreme fear, it doesn't mean that you should be as well. Because remember, Warren Buffett, when it says blood in the streets, I think it was him. It said when there's blood in the streets, you buy. So fear, blood, whatever, same thing. Fear, blood, soy, same thing. And anyways, that is all I have for this video. I think I'll do more videos in RSR. This is one crypto right here. I don't talk about that often, but definitely undervalued. So get it. Wow. I should have thought of this video even more. Oh well. It's still value information, you know. Who else talks about this? Not a lot of people. So you're welcome. Take care.